Hola amigos! If you just found out you're pregnant and are living in a small space like us, this video is for you. My husband and I found out we were pregnant and we really thought about moving, but it just seemed like way too much stress, too much of a hassle. So I turned a small corner of our bedroom into a nursery and I'm really happy with the results. I know that I searched all over YouTube, Instagram and Pinterest for inspiration on small nurseries and I didn't find anything, so I really hope that this video can serve as inspiration for you. And it's very simple. You can do it in one day. You don't need any special handyman skills. I did this while my husband was away on a work trip and I surprised him with it when he got back. Very easy, and you can really do it in any corner of the house. So here it is. We didn't find out the sex of our baby until she was born, so everything you see here is gender neutral for the most part. I started out by painting the back wall a very light gray to set it apart from the rest of the room. I measured the space and went to my local hardware store and asked him to cut me 2 wooden pieces, which I then was able to place in the form of a T. I decided to leave the wood unstained because I really liked the natural look of it. I secured the wood with 8 white brackets. You don't need this many brackets, but I wanted them to be part of the design to give it more of like a Scandinavian look. And that was basically the hardest part of the whole thing. I was even left over with a little bit of wood, so I was able to make a tiny shelf for stuffed animals or whatever else. And I placed a small camera there, which I got on Amazon. I bought the smallest crib I could find that I felt was still comfortable and the small carpet on Wayfair for a very reasonable price. One of my favorite things in the nursery is the dresser. I bought this basic dresser also online, which fit perfectly there on the left. I think it was $60 or $70, and then I just changed the knobs and made them all different, which gave it a really fun look. Up top I have cloth diapers and their inserts. Here I put burp cloths and her wipes for diaper changes. I bought about 2 yards of organic French terry cloth fabric and hand cut it into a bunch of rectangles. Those are my diaper wipes, and it's really easy to just throw in the wash along with her diapers. Here are her smaller clothing items like socks, leggings, and bodies. And down here I have items I only use sometimes, like her nose freedom. Another fun thing to do is to DIY a painting for your little one. Being a future mommy is exciting, and I really enjoyed making things for our baby on my free time. I made the mobile that you see here from a hanging plant holder that I wasn't using. I basically cut the top of it and flipped it upside down and added wooden pieces and hand sewed the star and the moon you see here. I pretty much bought the minimum amount of clothes necessary because I know how fast she'll outgrow everything. Most of her things from 0 to 3 months are onesies and bodysuits. It's easy for diaper changes. To hang her clothes, I didn't want to get a basic metal rod like most closets have, so I decided to give it a more rustic feel by adding a small tree branch, which I recycled from some Christmas ornament we had bought a few years ago. I bought a rope and hung the branch from the top by drilling 2 holes big enough to fit the rope and then tied a knot at the top of it to secure it. Up top in the baskets we have the clothes from 3 months on that she doesn't fit into yet. I really love these IKEA spice racks. They are perfect for books or toys, and I think they look so nice. One thing I really recommend, because it's super practical, is that you get small hooks like these. You can hang whatever you want from them, like hats and other items. I even started to put them in other parts of our house, like the laundry room. It's really good to have. Here you can see how small our bedroom is, but we really made it work. And I'm really happy with the results. It was super easy. It didn't take much, and it also doesn't break the bank. I'd love to hear what you think of it, and good luck building your small nursery. If you're a new mom or a mom-to-be and you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe. I will be uploading new videos every Monday on all sorts of topics relating to motherhood, all things babies, beauty, lifestyle, sustainability, and all that good stuff. So I hope to see you soon. Ciao!